For years, Exmark's Lazer Z has been the standard of excellence for commercial-grade zero-turn mowers, the first choice of landscape professionals, and coveted by large acreage homeowners looking for pro-quality cut, performance, and durability. Today, Exmark is making Lazer Z mowers even easier to operate, easier to maintain, and far more comfortable to use. You wouldn't think comfort would be such a big deal for a lawnmower, unless, of course, you mow lawns for a living or have a lot of lawn to mow. Then you understand exactly why, at Exmark, we've worked so hard to become experts in operator comfort and the game-changing science of ergonomics. All that hard work has enabled us to take comfort to a whole new level, starting in the obvious place with the seat. The Lazer Z's plush foam seats are supported by a vibration control stretch fabric and feature a sophisticated suspension system. But that's just the beginning. You see, while other companies try to make their seats comfortable too, Exmark goes further. Exmark's unique design independently suspends the operator platform from the main frame and the cutting system, which results in enhanced comfort without negatively impacting our signature quality of cut. And we've taken a giant leap forward in operator comfort by isolating the entire platform from the rest of the machine. A full 3.5 inches of vertical suspension significantly reduces vibration to the operator's body. ISO mounts allow side-to-side compliance, and you can adjust the rear shocks for the comfort level you like best. Position 1 for the softest ride, Position 5 for the firmest. While it's not required that the right and left cam locks are in the same position, it is recommended. Trailing arms eliminate side-to-side sway, keeping motion vertical fore and aft, making the operator feel like he or she is always in full control of the unit. Even on sloping terrain, the operator isn't leading downhill. On starts and stops, the platform rocks slightly front to back, softening the ride. Everybody knows more comfort means less fatigue. For commercial landscapers, that's money in the bank, because they know if the operator is more comfortable, their business will be more profitable. And if you're a large acreage landowner, the results speak for themselves. You'll feel great, not only about how your lawn looks, but also about the way you feel after the mowing is done. Industry-leading comfort. It's just one more reason why Exmark mowers are purchased 2-to-1 over the next best-selling brand by the most respected commercial cutters on the planet. Stop into one of our 1,500-plus servicing dealers today to feel the comfort of Exmark's suspended operator platform. Engineered by us, trusted by landscape pros, ready to work for you.